Block after block, road down gates look the same. Different trips, different trains. Hey friends, break in the back door and turn it up while the lights are out. Eyes closed and shouting right now. Lights turn on and dark turns out side by side. Dream bigger next in mind. It's plain now this is all me, and now this is all me. Lights turn on and dark turns out side by side. Dream bigger next in mind. It's plain now this is all me, and now this is all me. Eat when you're hungry and sleep when you're sleeping like tired dogs. Rest at pause.
Guys,
Today we show
this is God's land right here, yo.
Block after block. It's one way.
Look at this.
now on white. What was
I
left
can't live any other way.
behind?
So amazing.
Take me higher, higher than I've ever been. We can wander all the way to the top. I'll hold on to every word you've ever said. Don't you let me down. Don't you let me down. Don't you let me down. All I want is an adventure. Pull the dreams to my head, 'cause I'm tired of pretending. Give me something I won't forget. All I want is an adventure. Pull the dreams to my head, 'cause I'm tired of pretending. Give me something I won't forget. Give me something I won't forget. All I want is an adventure.
Parkour! Parkour! Ooh, ooh, ooh. Ooh.
Higher, higher than I've ever been. We can wander all the way to the top. I'll hold on to every word you've ever said. Don't you let me down, down. All I want is an adventure. Pull the dreams to my head, 'cause I'm tired of pretending. Give me something I won't forget. All I want is an adventure. Pull the dreams to my head, 'cause I'm tired of pretending. Give me something I won't forget. Give me something I won't forget.
What the heck? Looks like we're gonna have to clean this beach up. What do you guys think?
Yes. She thinks this is definitely. Yeah.
Could it be? I don't know. With a majestic cleanup crew from Bucket List Guys. Yeah! We brought ourselves a big bag. We've already cleaned up a couple beaches already. We've been spending this whole week having epic adventures and cleaning up a little bit, you know, trying to help out. Especially when, you know, you got the whole entire lake to yourself. Have you ever seen anything like this? Nobody will ever be able to say that they've done anything like this.
'Cause I'm tired of pretending. Give me something I won't forget. Give me something I won't forget. Give me something I won't forget.